Hi everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Gina. I'm a teen librarian at the Spokane Public Library, and today we are going to be making no-sew pillowcases. This video is one video in a series of craft videos I have been making with the teen audience in mind. So if you enjoy it, please go to our YouTube channel and look for some other videos I've made. Before we begin, the Spokane Public Library now has its own teen Discord server and teen Minecraft server, so if you are interested in joining those, please check the links in the description below. I will link to the applications there. This project only requires 3 things: scissors, a measuring tape, and some felt fabric. I chose this fabric because I tend to be a bit of a minimalist, so I like muted colors and patterns. This fabric also reminded me of fall, and I'm getting very excited for the season change. I don't know about you guys. Anyway, you should pick a felt pattern that you like, that helps you feel excited and sparks your creativity. So the very first thing we're going to do for this project is take our pillow and we're going to place it on our felt, and we're going to put it in the center, and we're going to cut out the felt into a square that's a little bit larger than your pillow, because we're going to take those edges and we're going to tie them. So I went about 5 inches around the edge of my pillow. I wanted to give myself just a little extra room just in case I needed to trim them down. I didn't want to have too little. And then after that, we're going to cut off the sides, the corners, and we're going to cut the remaining into strips so we can tie them together. So here we're cutting off the corners. Next, you're going to go around to all of these edges and you're going to cut them into pieces. I cut each piece into about 1-inch portions, and then we're going to use those pieces to tie the ends together. Okay, we're all done. There is our no-sew pillowcase. I think it turned out pretty great, and it was pretty easy to make too. If you're looking for more craft ideas like this one, don't forget the library has a near endless supply of books like these. So you can check out books like DIY Mason Jars, 35 Creative Crafts and Projects for the Classic Container. I'll link to our catalog in the description below so you can go look and see what we have. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.